Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome to our unsettled journey.
Pittsburgh's famous for its many bridges. In fact, there are over 440 bridges, if you can believe that, here in the Pittsburgh area. They're also known for being a big sports town. So you have football with the Pittsburgh Steelers, who are 6-time Super Bowl champions. You have the Pittsburgh Pirates, who play at PNC Park. That's our baseball team. And you have Pittsburgh Penguins, who is the ice hockey team that plays over at Consol Energy Center. This area is called Station Square and is very close to the downtown area and is home to a lot of different retail shops and restaurants. Now, a lot of the shops that they used to have changed over the years, so you can still find some pretty nice restaurants and also cool bars out this way, but it's definitely worth checking out. They've got a fountain show as well as great views of the city. A favorite place that I love to come when I'm in Pittsburgh is the Strip District. This area is full of converted warehouses that have turned into different stores. Also, you'll find a lot of markets and grocers here, especially some international foods, markets, fresh produce. So definitely check it out if you're in the area. The Strip District is home to probably Pittsburgh's one of their favorite breakfast spots, which is Pamela's Diner. They always have a huge crowd, and especially today, it is a Sunday, so there's a lot of people eating outside and enjoying the nice weather. It's about to be 80 degrees today, so if you're down in the Strip District, don't forget to have breakfast at Pamela's. This area is the Point. It is in Pittsburgh, the area where the three rivers meet. Pittsburgh has, of course, three rivers. Has the Ohio River, the Allegheny River, and the Monongahela, and this down here is the area where the three rivers meet right at the end of town. So it's a really nice area. Today is a beautiful day. You can see there's a lot of people just hanging out and enjoying the sun and being out here in the park. This is the best place if you want to catch the 4th of July fireworks in Pittsburgh. They put on a display down here on the river so you can set up a spot and enjoy fireworks down here at the Point. The Point is also home to some of the city's more popular festivals, like the Arts Festival, which takes place every June. It's 10 days of free art, crafts, and music. Then they also have, around the 4th of July, the Pittsburgh Regatta, which also takes place down here at the Point. Right now I'm walking around Sergio Orchards, which is located in Wexford, probably about 25 minutes north of downtown Pittsburgh. This place is going to be more popular, of course, in the fall when they have their famous pumpkin patch and hayride, but it's still open year-round. Right now they have the market open, the gift barn open, they have an organic place, which is what's behind me, and so they also have a garden center, so a lot of stuff for a lot of different people, and it's a nice place to come if you want farm fresh food and to do a little bit of shopping. Dinner last night was one of Pittsburgh's best Italian restaurants, located in Allentown, which is only a few miles from the Lookout at Mount Washington. Alla Familia does Italian right. They have a course-by-course menu. Every entree comes with a pasta of your choice. You can either get the vodka pasta or upgrade to their cacio e pepe, which is what I recommend. They do the cacio e pepe tableside in a huge Romano cheese wheel with cream, olive oil, and plenty of black pepper. For dessert, we got a carrot cake with a cheesecake layer on top, served with candied pecans and caramel sauce. Absolutely out of this world. Alla Familia got its start in 1997 and has since expanded and is really a beautiful restaurant and a truly hidden gem in Allentown. For some evening entertainment, we went over to the Rivers Casino, which is on the north shore of Pittsburgh, located by some of the famous stadiums like Heinz Field and PNC Park. The casino is fairly new to the Pittsburgh area. They didn't always have a license to have gambling here, but it's really an amazing casino with multiple restaurants. They had a DJ last night. They just upgraded a sportsbook area in the middle of the casino, plenty of table games and slots. So we listened to some of the entertainment and enjoyed before coming back to our hotel. If you don't know by now, we love wine on our channel, and Pittsburgh has a winery all its own. It is Narsissy Winery in Gibsonia, Pennsylvania, so let's go check it out. Narsissy Winery is a full-service restaurant as well as a winery. They have several different wines for you to choose from, wine flights. On weekends, they have live music. They have an event space where you can celebrate a special occasion like a birthday or a reception. And they've got a great lawn space where you can pretty much just pack your own chairs, buy a bottle of wine inside, and come on out and enjoy the atmosphere.
Start a journey.
They used to do free samples of the wine here at Narsissy, but now they have flights that you can do, which comes with 4 different flights. There's about 5 or 6 that you can choose from, so we decided to do the dry white flight. Thanks so much for watching the tour of Pittsburgh, and until next time, or until next week's video, cheers!